Ladies and gentlemen, Aqua Vitale 20L is finally here. So today we're gonna do unboxing of brand new Aqua Vitale 20L. Enjoy.
When you receive your machine, carefully remove it from the crate and keep the crate for future use. It's important to save it in case you ever need to ship the unit for service, exchange or return. Next, simply plug the machine into a power outlet and then press the yellow power button to turn it on. The system will automatically start producing water. Please note that the first fill may take longer than usual. During the initial startup, the water will pass through all filters and both internal tanks before reaching the top tank. This process takes time, so don't worry, this is completely normal. Just be patient and your machine will begin producing fresh water shortly. Now let's take a look at the display panel. At the top, you'll see the temperature, which is set to Celsius by default. If you prefer Fahrenheit, simply press and hold the set button and the up arrow button together for about 3 seconds. The unit will switch to Fahrenheit automatically. Next, you'll see the humidity level. Right now it shows 53%, which tells you how much moisture is in the air. And this directly affects how much water the machine can produce. You may also notice a small flashing E icon. This simply means there's no water in the tank yet, which is normal when starting for the first time. As the machine begins producing water, you'll see the level indicators fill up step by step, quarter, half, 3/4 and full. Below that are filter indicators. If any filter needs replacement, its light will start flashing. The same applies to the UV LED lights, letting you know when service is required. And finally, you'll see the production indicator, which shows when the machine is actively making water. Now let's focus on the bottom section of the Aqua Vitale machine and talk about the filters, because this is where the real magic happens. This system is a total game changer when it comes to water quality. To deliver the cleanest and healthiest water possible, we upgraded this model to reverse osmosis membrane, along with the 3 additional filtration stages and extra LED UV flow light. On top of that, there are 2 more UV lights inside the stainless steel tanks, continuously sterilizing the water to help ensure it stays fresh and bacteria-free. Together, this multi-stage system gives you exceptionally pure, safe drinking water. You also see the other filters here. Each one plays an important role in removing particles, odors, and impurities. You can find a detailed breakdown of what each filter does on our website. And if you want even better taste and added health benefits, we offer an optional mineral biofilter. This upgrade adds essential mineral back into the water after purification. If you choose to install it, it becomes your 5th filter. The installation is simple and only requires basic assembly skills. We provide a step-by-step video to guide you through it. The T33 filter moves to the right and the mineral filter is installed on the left side. Now let's talk about power consumption, which is one of the most common questions people ask. As you can see on the meter here, the Aqua Vitale A20L uses about 364 watts while producing drinking water from the air. That's roughly the same as a small household appliance, very efficient for the amount of water it creates. When you turn on the water heater, the power consumption increases to around 990 watts. This is normal since heating water requires more energy. You can easily control both heating and cooling using the switches located on the back of the machine. To save energy, I recommend turning the heater on about 15 minutes before you need the hot water, instead of keeping it on all day. Or if you're using our instant touchscreen dispenser, you can leave the heater off completely. The water dispenser heats the water on demand within seconds, so there is no wasted electricity. And honestly, this dispenser is one of the coolest features of the Aqua Vitale 20L. It can heat or cool water instantly, dispense exact amounts you choose, be installed in a different location including tubing, and work as a convenient desktop or countertop extension. It's not just a modern luxury add-on, it's incredibly practical for everyday use. And its feature simply don't see on most other atmospheric water generators on the market. Another common question is, how often do the filters need to be replaced? You can always find the full schedule on our website, but here is a quick overview using this diagram. As you can see, PPF, GAC and T33 filters needs to be replaced every 6 months. A mineral biofilter replaced every 12 months. Reverse osmosis membrane and LED UV lights replaced every 18 months. This schedule helps ensure your water stays clean, fresh and safe at all the times. All replacement filters are available directly on our website for easy ordering. Your machine already comes with a standard filter set including reverse osmosis, PPF, GAC and T33. The mineral biofilter is optional and available as an upgrade if you'd like to add healthy minerals and enhance the taste of your water.
Aqua Vitale.